Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If DTS X Ultra is not working in your system, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. So for that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and we'll click on system, scroll down for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we will run the audio troubleshooter by clicking on run here. The second option is to use the Windows update. So right click on settings, and go to Windows update, click on check for updates. While this is running, you can go to advanced options, optional updates, and update the drivers here if any. Then the next option, if these two options do not fix this issue, is to repair the repair and reset the DTS app. So for that, what we need to do is we need to look for the DTS app here, right click on it, and go to app settings. Now we'll scroll down and we'll click on repair till we get the tick box, and we'll click on reset, and we will restart the app. If this still doesn't work, then the only option is to uninstall and reinstall DTSX. So to uninstall it, we will click on uninstall and then uninstall again, and then we will reinstall it. To reinstall it, we need to look for the DTS app in Microsoft Store. So we will look for DTS X Ultra, hit enter, and then on here we will click get, and that should fix the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.